Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. So in this video here, I am just doing, this is an after clip that I'm inserting in the beginning for the little walkthrough that I'm doing for the home. I'm in the middle of traffic right now, so I figured let me just do a quick update for you guys before I show you guys the new little updates that we did thus far since the last video. Okay, so what was on the schedule was a new door needed to be installed, the appliances need to come in, the backsplash, the bathroom needed to be finished. So those are some of the things that we were working on, and most of them are completed. And so I'm gonna just insert that clip and give you guys a quick walkthrough of the home. Okay, and after that, that's pretty much it. We've already received our new key to the new install door. You guys are literally gonna see the guy installing the door there as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think I've shared in terms of the selections of everything that we picked, and that's pretty much it. So this is probably going to be the last update of the walkthrough around the home, because it is completely finished. It's a matter of just kind of like refurnishing and so on. That's pretty much it, and setting everything back in order. So I will be letting you guys know what's up with that, and if there's any other updates, I will definitely be letting you guys know. Okay, so right now I am out on my way to service, and just stay tuned while I take you through the walkthrough. See ya.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.